Hey everybody, welcome back to Fun in Tim's Garden. It's a quick episode. We're gonna help out the tomatoes. So what's going on? The tomatoes are taking off. They're doing absolutely great. I can't believe it. I think it's the soil. Must be. It's the only difference I've made. So maybe there is something to buying good soil versus going to a buddy's farm and finding some good stuff there. I don't know. We'll find out together. Anyways, you'll notice my tomatoes. The soil has settled a little bit. The tomatoes are taking off. You see all that fur along the stems? That fur is actually roots. So what I'm gonna do, I learned this from my friend Lee that I was working with a couple of summers ago. What she said is add soil in so that fur can become real roots and extend out, and you'll get a much stronger plant. So that's what we're doing today. We're gonna go in and I'm just gonna add more dirt. We're gonna make those plants as strong as we possibly can. Okay, so I've added dirt as high as I possibly can, all the way up to the leaves on these. And hopefully that'll make an even bigger, stronger plant. It'll be like just going to a nursery, except it's from our basement. How cool is this? As always, I'll keep you up to date. With luck, we'll be outside soon. It's a little warmer spring than last year. We can get the stuff in the greenhouse, and then it's just so much fun. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for subscribing, and I hope this is as fun for you as it is for me. All right, take care now. Bye-bye.